topic. Iyore too dey use people. Iyore do that to me, oh. She dey use people. Me, I no fair no. Like say she do it for them because this woman. Now people talk. If you tell her about issue when they pass through for inside house, you already have more than the social media without your consent. So disrespectful human being. You think you just do things to other person? You no go know why your platform go take fall because of people when they touch their life. You not supposed to touch their life. People go love you genuinely, but you after money. Money. Oh, not even men now. Oh, my no. Oh, no, not even men now. Oh, my that one no. Not even men now. It's not good. Okay, imagine no then now. Where are the platform already? Or where ikbe anila luwe get eri wa me revelation Iyore gbe mi ne gbugbo we ki ami ore wa. Ikbe anila luwe o eri me revelation o why anybody la luwe. There was a time now where YouTube Emana do judge. Iyore bare single mother. Iyore now while the platform where anybody can do it. Why can't you stay on one word? When you come out in a public form like this, people take from you. Who tell YouTube like Ugo say social media, TikTok, no make an amigo, never make an love you work be, una retire word of a man. Now, we wait to buy me revelation we know there. It is a lot by one. What is all this? Don't you know you can lose followers like that? You trying to brainwash people up and down? People will just be looking at you like this man was so. I bet my sister, you say if you need injection, they need to give you injection sometimes. That staying at home alone, it's not good. It's depressing you. You are depressed. You just come out, they do something. You don't know, say people, they watch you. People are watching. Me, I used to go to the platform before. I will go there. But when I start to see, say, what will she talk today? She go check that tomorrow. And when you send messages, your friend say, block the person. But what can now? What we need now? What we are so who will change? And you think everybody can just be fooled every time? You are going to lose followers. You're going to lose. Go see no girl of them when be said they don't pass you. People they come and pass you. But you talk like today, you know go know. They say a liar has no memory. Now you I tell no. You they lie where for a platform. What no the one was saloba they go where my sister. The saloba walk past saloba wa mie. Oh, we go oh, no, bring a topic in the one make now. You know they work again. A stage in the berane, Agboya fear, because what 10 years I look at YouTube, listen, one time. A big man, 500, a big man, 500, more progress. We are so the social media, more progress where you will. Abba. Eva nobody look where waku we do arovinya. When they respect their friendship with that, you don't have respect for friendship.
I the music. Now me the promoter with Iyore music.
You don't get respect for friendship. Who you want to respect? You want me people they bow down for you every time. Who do you think you are? Fake life. Now then you want Origbo choppy money. Everyone we got advice vegani. Origbo marry here go Origbo yari we go. You say you are advising people. You are telling people a marriage in there, because me and my husband have issue. You have in your platform to give my husband a woman. You don't know you have offended God though. I will tell you, my marriage is not for a joke. Koro, see you. I dare say,
you give your husband woman.
Koro, see you. Me and my husband get this for inside house. My husband they call her for phone. Me yeru wa da me yeru go na mo ho ne won ma mu we magbeku e. Won ke no won no shu.
Speak English, let people hear you, bro. Sorry. You speak pidgin.
You not go know what it shook you, my sister. Who are not shook we? You think say na juju na one dey owe you every time.
And the talker Iyore puppies. Emanes was one minute motor. They go say,
see you.
Why not talking?
You never even ask whether the man don't come out for the house. My wife drive me. My wife say make I come out for house. Your wife person say me wife. You know consider and say me and I don't fair talk about this issue. Let me wait. Let me see what you can talk. Let me just take it out. You want to go and use me to get view on social media? You know who shook you. go be like Scorpio or Danway or Lewe. Before you know how many minutes you have finished. No, Ushuka. I rest my case. Now, bye-bye.
Hey, yo.
Me and my husband, we are living very happy now because after everything, my husband can't call Iyore. Tell and say, me and my wife don't settle. Iyore can't start to insult my husband.
You see,
Okay.
after you and your husband don't settle, you see Iyore life.
That means
Iyore tell me.
Iyore that very day, after the next day, Kokola say, me and my wife not the get problem again. We don't settle everything. Now Iyore say, I can't as well.
Iyore don't like better thing.
Iyore tell me with a mouth. Iyore tell me with a mouth for call. He said he don't like husband and wife.
Like a marriage, eh?
Iyore just say, man, tell me. Iyore say she don't like husband and wife. And I say, why? He said, whether she don't marry. Now that guy
Now me gawk you.
He said, whether she don't marry.
Now me gawk you. Now me say me you go the also. You come abroad, you know whether me also. How many of us by that brick on everybody come also? Some people wrong. We don't want to do that work. Husband put me. I'm in my marriage 11 years now. Now my 11 years marriage. What because me and my husband get argument. He can't explain to you. You just bring the copy come out. You just bring topic come out. I bet me I want to ask you now for this platform. If you and your husband they quarrel sometimes, maybe something pain you. Your husband tell you tell hit him. Oh, come leave me. You hit him. That one please say you they beat your husband. You may you preach a platform or every day. Like some people when they beat their husband also. Who better ni egbe a week boy talave. Yeah, man, still week boy there. You don't know that way. Okay, sorry. Before my husband never touched me one day. He a big person. Want to beat man way huge.
Your face. When I look your face.
No mind now. We go finish. You back bewa. You dey get shit. People go detect you on your platform. If you not do nonsense, you not do giveaway, not the same as people.
You know what?
Ovibo be one blind down.
Give her blue.
Oh wait, enoge no lalue. Ere go si mi me onoge lalue. Eloge no lalue o. Enoge no lalue. Why lalue na ha se aruwa nu. Why lalue? Me ka we wene. Me ka we gbe ala lo we ne. Eriwa lori o, enika o, my sister. We don't deal with when I don't want enika o, you know. Now there you for make you are wrong. Isha, enika o. It's all right. We shall see. You just come and enter people's life. A marriage you no create, a relationship you create, you might sacrifice the line make. You want to come and destroy it overnight? So person not feel confide with you if they get bad this. Not be they say people call you. People will call you finish. Or they use their matter they preach on social media.
Iyore no go mose.
Who done Iyore na hate Germany people do one man here and you Germany man. Ugly hate man. A big marriage. You know that Germany ugly hate. Germany people want down. Germany people who down. Germany people.
Germany people. Now he give her money pass.
Why?
Now,
you just come out from public, they talk anyhow. See now your platform don't fall. Go see children, go see all of them now. They grow up. Your platform don't fall. If you not do giveaway, not the see 1,000 people. I mean Nigeria and you ya lekwa. Oh, you donate to your platform, okay? Me not know one day. Where donate or not blocking, eh? Where donate to where?
Okay.
Wow. You go your block you straight.
That's why they block me. He said, where now? Yeah, block me. Where donate?
You not say I no go better. If a no get one start donation, 100,000 in the put. Any donation, 50,000. Donation may no get no the put in money.
I donate, but all take the glory. Oh, Shati, now my platform.
If Iyore don still donate finish, she get the one me go have for inside pocket.
Disrespecting, man. You are
What bad you are.
Something is wrong with your head.
You follow bank go dey collect 1 million, 2 million.
Ugwa ade secret on where no public in ugwa ade secret on ugwa respect privacy on udwa mo ladian e the big man 500 the US give you tax concerning more. Think way or easy na yaye labor room. Owo kan my see we bolo adi me no me ado su we bolo and since then.
You say something. He go say reform at others reform. He go say now give my wife for WhatsApp. He go say me my wife help am select. He go say person why you pay for her. They help am choose the color. Choose the color, all those things.
Because your wife did that way they also for street when not fit buy reform for herself. When not fit buy better reform.
Oh, me you free my wife with her.
For how many years in abroad?
They happy. Anytime when my wife, they see
G slot.
My wife come police for me.
They happy they see G slot for how many years in abroad?
You don't tell my wife. You say make my wife call police for me. You
see her.
My wife come tell me say, my wife tell me that word. You know, you come and say my wife.
No, anybody come out come talk say their marriage is 2 days special. Say me and your husband not dey misunderstanding. It dey person dey. Yeah, it dey. Marriage dey when not get misunderstanding.
Why you talking? You say, see what Iyore tell her.
You see her.
This is shock me. I don't forget how they do.
Say me I can't forgive you. Ask God for forgiveness.
Iyore wey me people.
Like say even still do one of your puppy, a miracle baby. Oh no, you take more like the social media. Take more like the social media. Oh man, let the way what respect someone, disrespect someone.
Miracle bought for 2 man.
Oh, take more like the social media. No, you open the chair.
No, carry the man. The miracle come.
Oh, you more like the. What is wrong with you? Do you know how people respect their privacy? Like social media, who go and respect your privacy, but you want to be doing where why is it confined with you? You will bribe people after people confine with you. You start using them for topics. You go learn lesson, no worry. You don't know who shook you.
He said she don't want to go Benin again. So they don't bother anything where you like, then what they do.
So they hurt people life. Why you come out on platform, they make people confine in you finish. At the end of the day, you bring their privacy out and start insulting them day by day. Today, so Imala they have a platform already. Other from what Baladi only Taiwan. Now we must say you don't reach Iyore and make me not disrespect you. Now block you where he confined with you. You don't have right to bring my matter when I didn't say it. I'm in your platform. If my husband talks to you, all right. You respect me. If my kid respects me, what am I doing there? You touts of Igwe. Remember my ABCD. You want to be playing with people.
Now make a right off for the time of the Facebook. If one right up,
that was not my
I will send a email for WhatsApp.
Big man 500 dog been never again. My bed area. Ox your body family with your bone every time you have your family with. If Iyore can do that to anyone, who else?
If the money can do saga, say me saga for us. He will lolo.
That will
no priest. A piece of me, a party more fish.
Well, we not no son of man. Oh, well, they bring you out to social media. You make it that you go viral, mommy. You don't know what is integrity. What do you mean by that? Where everyone in the work here will go viral now, mommy. Everyone here have go viral. No sense in here go viral. Do you think a no sense in here like to go viral? A new word here, everybody names should be spoiled. Do you think everyone wants their name to be spoiled in the public like that? Do you think that?
And I'm not saying it enter viral.
Because of that, everybody should also go viral in a destructive ways. Make the miracle will let's say. Miracle
Where? one don dey gather evidence wey wan take.
Nonsense. Ona we matter Iyore ladi. Ona mo ye first social media. We no ni agole le rogo. You dey craze. You still tell me whether na king you be. When you not sabi respect people privacy, you go less. Mami to we so local price na. Eri ni ka ogu egwa. Uwe na even la lo even no gbale no ya go viral. Come on, enter my pikin. Lawa. Agbeya e tricky wene. No level. Me I wash you gbe say he to asenya we. Do my he to asenya we rona. Well, ye platform no gain. Ya no gain. Small boy, you don't go far. Already that way now we no gain. Ya wake topic. E no gain no laluwe.
Agboma majore.
You guys see that lady? Now easy boy. And I know easy boy now. Easy boy.
We know.
I want to beat her where the way they like her. That one they flog gun.
You read the Chris.
That one they beat her with no good.
Make me call they join you say big man 500 they insult you. Oh no why you that baby John.
See all those police may go arrest easy boy no go better for them. All those police
mama who got respect on money who okay do a big man 500 or 10 single mother we done in here because who own we want to go mother. Oh man no carry what kind of bad life is that?
Now wetin enter my body. He say me dey disrespect single mother and a single mother na dey feed am.
Everybody get your topic to do. Everybody get your topic to do.
He say why dey insult single mother and single mother na dey give her food. He say me no respect her.
Single mother.
Na single mother dey give her food. Me dey disrespect single mother. You see wetin these users Iyore no your must go.
No topic to do, but
no take
we topic because you want to work here. Almost day okay, almost obey we. That's why begging na Agrippa. Oye dey even no keke not because you want to lewe. To hell with you. To hell with you.
You go dey me now. Iyore go dey me now.
Me now.
Siru.
Omega no ya we go no Igbo.
See all your vape for neck.
What Igbo say now?
Also no man me na okay we go
Igbo social media na we amodogula. Ona we modogune. Una praise okbia. Ya nu e go odomu where you want chance.
Shekeli Iyore appear they call her the women. He can't give herself that Shilleri.
A family of Igbo na ya igele gio. Iyore was say you don't disrespect or disrespect even though we can Igbo je. A family of Igbo na ya gio we see Benin people are so they be.
Me na mwe bogbi jewelry. Need because Iyore with my full shares. Anything you want to do for this life, me you do. You know that me na Bini, I be Kufa Bini, go Iyore. Iyore the Chris, wa Iyore wa. Iyore come arrest me, go dey you.
They arrest no arrest. Yeah, me go me pass or don't see go. Iyore don't get body that. You got body, Iyore get body. You want be say ordinary food. Me
I tell you say if the family me I come for Benin go Iyore.
Ya se gbe ra e me ba si de ra no beke e. Egile.
Wo gba kan go vivie. Wa ho wa.
Got meeting na there. When young woman waiting there your fridge. Jesus.
Iyore dey hungry.
A big man do arigo nu we. Who dey wan dey move we.
Go na. Okay dey right. You know, you know, if you feed yourself, they'll cost they feed you. Family man, go they feed you.
All your mate get hotel for us. All your mates for Europe made they not ball. All of them get hotel for us. They get some company for us. Iyore, why you go
family woman go they feed you. You will be your pa.
Iyore, wait till you use your money.
You know, if you work for yourself,
Oh, we ain't no zigo my sister. Yeah, where I got bo, I tell boy now. Anybody now we ain't get bo. Where get bo? Where zigo you come.
Iyore say Senegal, Iyore do Senegal. Ogun gbiji Iyore ni ewepo.
Iyore no your mose ugo eli.
Ozirasun.
Aduomomu, not Duomomu.
Bẹ́ẹ̀
Zigo yi.
Yeah, doctor Monu Ade the papa see. Ebe basibu we akoke before you know everyone na make it na say we no.
Iwe sise. IVF ma win.
Amagiwa wa. Iye wa giyan. Yeah, wan na ngo mo.
Iwe no ya domo.
Wa make na ho.
Iyore ya domo ya de.
Yeah, doctor. No, no lazy. Oh, no, it's total for many years. How many hours? Expect can not total. I don't know.
No one they use English, they pronounce sound die. Adopt, that be English language. Benin language. Benin language.
Oh, but on that, we are more on the dead.
Benin language. Abi?
I mean, what is your ball like Iyore?
Honorable. Adopt for Benin. Talk for Benin language.
Adopt now. Go and buy now. Go and buy.
Yeah, so I don't want me to talk for English. Iyore, ya double. Iyore, ya there.
Okawe na, ma working na. Okawe na.
Working, so no bad yeah.
Iyore, ya there.
Oh, me ko egele nwa. E ko we egele nwa severio. What was like he go say gbe? Who wa do kion man? Man get nu ya kion man. Ba mi go. Ba mi go. Man get nu ya kion man.
Ege ni ya nwa David, ege ni ya tamane we.
Nonsense.
As in Q of Iyore ne. Yeah, we Q afio on your phone. Now we are kwatota. Iyore we fear ne because ota go here guy piripiri no ke wu. Eri ebo ya gbo. Eni Iyore ije na. Ebo ke gbin yen na. You understand? Any matter the social media can be here. You are why was the via while the villa Udoni. A regional agaji because young we bug any time Jurica back or won't be here.
In a big matter, my ugly touch or say now you are doing another time because ugly touch a big bugly touch life for a platform where Mapolo. But you know a big platform self because one no see it. On one hour we where that first person, where that second person, where that third people. Even yani any even go ni aya level boy. Okoya je here make it because we gbiyan kekpa.
Ben Iyore mu e kan self o kan gbiyan. Mi o be amatiebo oyan o no matiebo all si okay.
You platform why you platform why we fake you a platform you think you touch people life like that and just go free you don't you see what is happening now our local where praise no can know well you do a platform now how do you feel about that and you are not even coming out to apologize to let this person I remember when you behind that I special children of your here I special no era who ni ari egbele ma me the special one who
Iyore is a bad woman na o ma da Iyore o me ege ni ari sale they tell me I say they sale I get some mama me as in they not born you know that but they trade pikin for people e more ke ni aje be me we o mo pe kan bi ke ni Iyore je ero
metana. Oh, why igbinaba no na mi ewe nu make na mo webo nu make na won avie ma ga gbere no awon na won pe na say yo wa danger gbe my sister
Iyore men
me na normal make sense
Iyore men no good at all it gets strong man omo no me kweba
so this woman there is that okay I tell you not the way well now so who wa go now you too go far you will confide with me first you will confide with me no matter what my husband might have told you again you will confide with me marriage no one involve in radio This is a union. You don't just enter people's marriage and you think you want to spoil it. Do you know the covenant I have with my husband? Do you know the covenant? You think marriage is just a joke?
You don't like better thing now. Ijore don't like better thing.
Wait, no. Whoa. My darling sister, they are change. If not, I will miracle you do well at them. I mean, a big man, big boy now. Me at
ọwọ́ ní mọ̀sùn mọ̀tọ́ nìyẹn o ọwọ́ náà yà pé ọwọ́ náà rí 5 million yẹn àbí mẹ́ta
òtọ̀dọ̀ máa ń yẹ igú ọ̀kẹ́ àgbọ̀ Ijore igú ọ̀kẹ́ àgbọ̀ ẹ̀.
ọwọ́ mọ̀sùn mọ̀tọ́ nìyẹn wọ́n ní láwọn ìjà ìkéwì àmúru èdèdè wí àti ìyàwó yóò bọ̀ náà àdánwò àti mọ̀máká ẹ̀rẹ́ gbọ́ wà lórí ọwọ́ ẹ̀rí yóò lè wá wà ọ̀wọ́ tọ́ ní mọ̀sùn mẹ́rin.
Olete free but na see that if not when we are here no when we might be no we no here
we
on here
and the woman we don't carry the make them go measure the land.
Fake person no the person is a fake.
Who said una come now he say Ijore
why afia bloggers
Damian and because say Ijore now say who Ijore of Paris Ogloba now say una come imatera o wa how community say before they open their eye make they see all of their back.
Now the
woman can't take call the committee chairman, call the beggar and say, no. That the committee say, you know they see YouTube. You know, you still there YouTube, go look am. That the woman take go look am. Say they don't lay cost on her. Now Oginoba. That the woman say, we not give you again. Oh, if be say go give you, not give you again.
Okay.
He said na lie o. Say the woman don already do the pledge for water devil ministry. He say must to bring the land o. The woman could say no na he no do again.
You should all talk. You say na you God say make it. You of it create salt. I'm away water.
Well, okay. Why Ijore don't go Pala? Go to that was happening at talk.
Why not go where?
Big man 500.
Why you not go Pala? Go drink water.
Where you be with social media?
You know,
wow.
You know what he talk? He said,
Big man 500.
If you go,
you know what?
Palace. If you go,
if you want to say Ijore. If una wan,
okay,
unless say na people wey know me and Ijore for TikTok, na you no go fit understand between me and Ijore matter. If say maybe una know me and Ijore for TikTok, una no go fit understand between me and Ijore matter. If una know us, me and Ijore for YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Una go understand they go on.
That make me understand.
Some of you don't know us, only TikTok. Una no fit understand.
They don't fit understand.
Ijore no get right to come out for government house.
Me that time I think still na be brothers and sisters.
Ijore no get right to insult me.
No get right.
Una know me from Facebook to TikTok. As I the cocoa Ijore, I the feed Ijore, I the feed them. More progress.
Now you even
help
am where we go.
They call me big man.
Now you help am where we go.
Now my TikTok name, like a big man.
More progress.
More progress. That be my name. More progress. That be my name. For media, social media, more progress. That be my name. Now TikTok, now for they call me big man 500. I dey feed Ijore Iyore get goals to come out, insult me. Who feed them?
Now me no fit come insult.
Lies. They insult me. Sit down for Gombe house where Oyibo da live. Gombe house where Gombe give Oyibo. As Oyibo die, because he give am. May he stay before she still die. He dey claim her say na your house. He say he return. He just get goals to even insult me alone. So if I see some people for comment section for TikTok, I go look there and say, well, maybe na condor where they suck for roadwork. Now blood their brain. They don't understand me and Iyore matter. Who understand from Facebook, cut TikTok, don't know say big man, more progress. Not be man where Iyore go come out for public the insult. More said than on Iyore. Iyore arrive, mais non. Even I do sauter, I pay musician. Not be even a benel. I pay another musician. May you Iyore sing. I send and give him. Another musician use Iyore sing. If you not go you work for Facebook, when I will see the music, I pay. I just carry on. Upon all, Iyore still come and insult me. Yahweh, he said me a miracle. Do saga.
It's not enough.
Me come out. He said me come out. He saw miracle.
Settle. What's happen?
He just come out. You begin to saga me.
Miracle when you know. They hear a miracle, Seth. They hear a miracle.
Me myself, I surprise.
Even
the day when me a miracle do saga. The day when me a miracle do saga.
Met you respect of our newest for a long time.
He said he salute they do help. So he no fit talk for they no fit do video. He said the next day he go come out do video put. Say he no go make miracle they insult me. Miracle find husband come a platform. Me na Iyore friend. Mona say so. Me na Iyore friend.
Long time friends.
Miracle find husband come there. Now so miracle and me and Iyore be now. Miracle find husband come. Me and Iyore na friend. So Iyore he call me for phone. He say, "La wo rami big more progress because now more progress they call me not be big man." He say more progress la. Yeah, so why? Yeah, I will do video put. The way miracle take insult you, I don't like him. Because although now miracle fine come, miracle not be the followers or member whatever. So me your considerate.
And go come front, go talk about that.
Even I do,
you see,
even the same when I even do that video for miracle, where some people come up, cause they say, big man, I will go, I bet drop a picture, whatever. So I come to drop the miracle picture, so we can talk about another thing. You can tell me, say, he go do video put. So me your consideration. Not be say, as they your break, he just come out for live video. He don't host now. Me just focus. All my hope, say maybe he wants okay. Miracle. Not come out again for big man. Big man, like what I mean. Not come out for miracle. I beg, make una arrest. Now wetin me believe say she want talk o. He don't begin to saga me. Why we gonna? He saga me finish for miracle. I no reply. My wife draw me away. I reply. My wife fold me. My wife bend me. My wife bend me. He bend me. You and Iyore, Agie, they will laugh, they go laugh. I don't quiet. I don't reply. Me come relax. From there, okay. It is all me. Una know one boy now. That boy, we fed here. We not they come again. That boy now, all of una know now. You saga me, I no reply. You say they solo me. If you like, saga me. If you like, come out, saga me. And I say, no, go on. You have you bona. Even on your any, ya question. Ya question, even on your. He saga me for miracle. More than 1 month or 2 months. So. He not say, let me rest. If they do video, she not dey mention my name. He go describe me for people where did a platform. Una know the man, we fed the year, where they come a platform before now. This he go no, then he built an orio, Ogbeoa, Abioe. Now so me and Iyore Sagate starts. Now so I say, you are mad. Obomboya. Now me and you're the trauma they give me. I will not quiet for what? You the Chris? You want me the feed when you make cocoa. Obombela bijwa. And not latana. What bell mo? Okyopa.
At that time, they can't meet you. At that time, the puppies can't meet you, make you rest. They can't tell you, make you rest. That time, don't verse.
After, when we don't start, they can't tell me, say, make me rest. I say, Obombowa.
That time, you don't charge, you don't verse.
Let me rest for
it. Now, pride they worry her because she feels say people they honor her. That was all those ones who be say they never know the left and right when they. Then I pride now they worry her. If not, person when you don't know before, you know if you respect that friendship, can't you have respect for friendship for God's sake? Somebody like a doctor now, the reason why they play with you for far distance, that be this. You for those things sort of Iyore for public. It's not good. Somebody is playing with you. In their mind, open their mind, they are playing with you in the public. Doesn't make you to disrespect their attitude, disrespect them. No matter what, respect friendship. Why big man 500 not come out first start to dey insult you? A platform, any of a followers in your tete born when you go no end, you don't lose your sense. That will not be life. Money not be everything. And people when stay with you when good.
For me.
You like money.
If you say maybe, for example, say I get Iyore Barbele. Say if you say maybe I get Iyore Barbele for mine, I for record everything. No matter. Me myself no tika say me Iyore.
You don't need to think that kind of thing now. When you follow person waka, why you go dey think of the record?
One day.
No good.
If Iyore with Igbo man get issue, he go come
my wife. Change you, man. I respect your friendship no matter what.
He go say my wife see give her Ibude. They see wetin D. They go sometimes 1 hour. Based on say na Iyore now. Sometimes Iyore and my wife go dey on call.
You see,
me go come for work. I go enter kitchen by myself.
You see?
Make a man by myself. I no go want disturb my wife. Based on say that Iyore.
Yeah, because you the feel say yes, and your sister, you take am like your sister.
The respect.
Yes.
That is the respect.